Good morning, guys. Can you hear me? Yeah, NIO looks short. There's so many of different names today. Potential shorts. Yeah, I saw. Yeah, Mark. Genius is Genius and Save are gonna be main watch. I have located 200,000 shares of Genius. Are you kidding me on IBIO? I sold my shares yesterday before they closed. I got tired of it and I was capping up. Classic. I see a lot of these penny names gapping higher pre-market. A lot of them. I think we're nearing a short-term pullback in the market. There's so many stocks gapping up big. Coffee and Bino. Yes, that is a long from on Zoom. Down a little today. So BTIQ is now finally Nicola. I also raised my lows. I only have a tiny position left, like a position or something on 6. Other than that, IBIO gap up, which I miss. Everything looks fine. I really hope this goes to like 240 today and then maybe 260 or so on Monday. I think we'll get a great short on this thing. I just not there yet. D-Dog is waking up. I bought D-Dog late day yesterday and I sold Shopify. Shopify closed. It just pulled back to the rising 20 day. It's holding that and I think it's gonna set up again. I may rebuy it to set up. Alright, so Genius will be main watch. Remember this thing can go to 15. Don't be early on it. Don't get run over. I'm also watching some of these airlines. Save is gonna be my main one because that's the one that's up the most over the past or so. But yeah, we'll see what. And I'm also watching DFS and SYF, these financial names. I just shorted 50,000 shares of Save and also 70,000. Both are started. Save I only almost stopped out. Fuck. Oh my god, my stop loss is not working. What the fuck? Wow. Okay, there was some lag. Never mind. There was some lag. My stops did work. There was just some weird lag. I also got stopped out of starter. This thing wants to go higher. Wait, Genius? Did they? Oh, it's a negative 2. Yeah, it's a momentum stock. You gotta wait for backside, etc. Not even Citron can make it go down for now. It's not that they lost their touch, it's just the stock is as a relentless demand for now. They're gonna be correct. This Genius is gonna go to back to $5 probably. But right now it can go to $5. Sorry, 15, 20 before that. This halt. I just re-shorted 60,000 shares of Save, 1994 average. I shorted 20,000 shares of LUV also. Yes, Genius is halted. I'm building some short exposure here. Oh wow, mRNA gap. Maybe mRNA gives, or actually no, it's Friday, no it's Thursday. Okay, never mind. Maybe I'll short more mRNA later, or I'll add to. Oh shit, draft. Oh, never mind. No, draft is getting stronger. I'm also looking to short some of these financials. Thinking about DF plug is very. So DFS I shorted 20,000, so that one. Genius held the VWAP very nicely. There's no reason to short it right now at all. Like unless it's VWAP, there's not even any point to the starter. So I took on some short exposure so far, about 3 million exposure so far in airlines and credit card companies. Beyond Meat is setting up really nicely tomorrow. It's pretty much building a high tide flag. Yes, the entry yesterday, I bought it at $60. I bought 24,000 $60, but I actually sized down 5,000 shares because I had so much exposure. I didn't want to hold, I wanted to size down a little bit of my exposure. I'm a little bit tempted to also this SYF. I shorted some of this SYF. I just can't, I couldn't help my 25,000 shares. It's smaller than the DFS. DB looks like it won't break down here. Oh, AMD is really getting, Nvidia is building a high tide flag. Yeah, I think just so many setups everywhere right now. Save is playing. I wish I had shorted more of Genius. What I'm gonna wait for the first red 5-minute candle. I may add a starter at that point. Halt. Fuck. Oh, this is XP8. This is the one I had like 1 million shares last week. A lot of these standard stocks are reversing. NIO looks also short. I'm just ignoring it. I have too many other things going on. What's Mark doing? Mark doing nothing. Okay. I know. How long was Genius halted last time? 5 or 10 minutes? 5 minutes. Genius. It's about to leave app here. I did short a little bit in anticipation of that. Potential leave app loss. I'm probably gonna get stopped out of it again. But it's a small starter. It's only a tiny. Financial coming back. Okay, I got stopped out of most of my starters so far. Like this Genius, I'm gonna build size up. So that's why I'm taking small starter. Yes, I am shorting. I'm shorting. Good luck. Team Sykes pumping CID. Why am I not surprised? I'm looking at save. Maybe if it fails, if save fails here at VWAP, I'm gonna short more. Or maybe not, I don't know. Haven't decided. Damn, this plug. I had 100,000 shares of this thing when it tried to break out. And man. Alright, things are starting to calm down a little bit. A very busy open. Haven't had a busy open in a while. Draft, I'm gonna get out of the short. Melee about to new high. GAN is now to bounce after a 3-day pullback. Chart, it bounced perfect. The rising 55 EMA so far acting super well. Just look how beautiful it bounced. Now I hope it can close green. Oh, SYF, I think topped out. Yeah, topped out. Alright. DFS. Oh, DFS too. Okay, I got stopped out at the financials. They are not going down. Nari is one I talked a lot about. For me, it's too thin. The buy was down here, like 48-ish. That was when it broke out. Right now, there's nothing here. If you're not long from like 48, you need to wait for a setup. But I really like the technology. Oh, Genius. I added more shares. I'm not short 100,000 shares. Or maybe I'm gonna lose 500k or more shorting. Yep, it's halted again. Hopefully we can get one more good setup before it cracks. You know, this could go to like $6 if it really starts fading. S3, oh, just now. Oh, but it's old news. Yeah, it's old news. We already knew it was coming. It's just it filed. Yeah, it's already known from like a couple of weeks ago. The stock still went higher. But they're gonna dilute. I think gonna double their outstanding shares. So yeah. But I guess it may be news. Some of these crazy Robinhoods that are buying this. What, QQQ's new all-time highs? Wow, look at that. Yep. GAN, I don't see it set up here. But if you believe this thing can go to 40, fine, I don't know. Sure. I hope this EFS is like low mid 60s. And just another. I lost 46,000, 7,000 on SYF and save. Starts losing VWAP later. I may add. It could also help me out and do like 23 by tomorrow. Yay. I don't know. It's more of an stock. It's not a real stock. And it's also not a growth company. It's big and bloated. I prefer growth stocks. Alright, Genius open. It's now below VWAP. It can, if it gets rejected off the VWAP, I may add more. So far it held. The momentum this thing is amazing. Plug does look chase here though. Okay, so far it got rejected off the VWAP. Genius. Oh yeah. Oh damn, I missed the ad on it. Damn it, I wanted to add. I have offers higher. Oh shit. No, don't do straight down. No, bounce. Please bounce. Bounce. Please bounce. Okay, I need to bastard. Hold it again? Oh, come on. It is a small cap. 1 billion small cap stock. And it's actually 2 billion. But 2 billion is still small cap. I think mid cap starts at 3 billion, depending on who you ask. But yeah, it's bloated. It's a bloated name. My average short, my position is 1003 average 100,000 shares. I wanted some in the 9.7 field. Cruise lines actually look like good potential long setups. CCL and RCL. And obviously I'm already long NCLA. SC, or I mean, look, you could short it here. I mean, I see what you. It's an overextended stock. It's 5 days in a row, or this is like if they. I see what you see. I mean, yeah, you could short it. You could short it. I'm not doing it. I'm long. Go higher. I see what you see. If I wasn't short, if I wasn't long, I could. You know, that would be a setup I would trade. Not a 5-star setup, but yeah. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you have a defined risk. You know, it could very easily pull back to low 80 today. You know, but I have a longer term long. This AAL, another airline. This one is actually hitting new highs. Interesting. It is actually hitting new highs. I'm actually gonna size down a little because I think it pulled back a bunch. I'm up like 50% on it, so I still have about half size. Oh, beyond me. I really hope it didn't go to... And Zoom is also one of these setups. Yeah, it could be a shortable setup. I just don't think they're good enough. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, maybe I'm biased since I'm long. I don't know. Save reclaimed VWAP. Okay, I covered up 10,000 Genius. Oh my god, I need to cover up more. Oh, come on. Okay. Alright, so I've covered up 20,000 shares so far. Figure trade. Hit fast. I need it. I can just get one more big bounce. Need high 90. I would like to short another 100,000 fast. Man, I'm not good at trading these fast stocks. I'm really not good. If you want to trade fast stocks, you only have to like look at one stock, but I'm looking at 15 stocks. It's kind of hard. Livongo. No, it's not failed. Look, 60-minute chart. It's just retesting this rising EMA. As long as it holds this 5850 area, in my opinion, you know, sometimes breakouts they retest. It doesn't mean they're failed. It's just a retest. Not all breakouts go straight up. Most don't. So I think it's a little bit too early to say it. I think Save is gonna stop me out. LUV already took me out. Soxel is having some continuation. Gotta be ready to cover some more Genius. Save was a good long. Look out here, like in the high 11s, low 12s. That's when you buy it. It's absolutely not a buy here. But yeah, I mean, both types work. Both bottom breakouts and like extended stocks, they work. It depends on market environment, etc. That's been a little bit of special past 2 months. Is both strong stocks and stocks have worked really well, or they're beaten down there. Yeah, MU is starting to come out of its range. They guided higher last weekend. I just think, yeah, it could go, but it's been a huge laggard. Better ones out there. Nvidia is starting to break higher. Yeah, it's I'm not in it. I have so much exposure right now. I mean, I really need to think twice before I like buy in. I mean, it's just too much exposure right now. I have over 12 mil. If I hadn't a long exposure, I would probably. Yeah, Interactive Brokers is not a great broker for shorting stocks. They're not. They're good if you go long, but they're definitely great for shorting. I actually hope stocks, these airlines, financials, and etc., they all take up highs of the day now. I really hope we get a setup tomorrow on this. I hope they keep going today. I think Genius should reopen any. Oh, they're gonna go for a 10-minute halt now. Yep, they're gonna go for a 10-minute. Oh man, I'm gonna take fat loss on Save. Looks like probably over 50k. It's me out, that is. That's fine. Nvidia looks good. Just trying to come out of this mini flag. Wow, so many. What is this THO? Okay. Oh, yeah, I saw that hurts. See hurt. So Livongo on this chart. So far, it's bouncing off the rising 20 EMA. So it looks good so far. Okay, when are these guys gonna unhold? Okay, any minute now. Huge fail. Oh, thank God. Okay, that's a good thing. Man, I sold my 140,000 shares yesterday before the close. And then I saw it gapping to 183 market. Like, oh, come on. Like, I was afraid it was gonna go to like 253 bucks without me. It's a good thing it's failing. Otherwise, I would have. Alright, I'm gonna make a phone call, so be right back. Alright, I am back. You know, I'm a little bit tempted going long this L. A little bit tempted. I also covered some more Genius. Still have 65,000 shares. I don't know if this is gonna be a 5 or 10 halt. I'm too lazy to go to Nasdaq webpage. I guess we'll find out. BA shape. Okay, this is good. I see a lot of these airlines they want to take out highs. I think there's gonna be some insane setups for tomorrow if they. Unless they like fade today. Yeah, KZR. Man, I need to turn my AC up. It's getting really hot. Yeah, Skitty, that's out. That was out like months ago. I have no idea what S1 and R1. I'm sorry, I have no idea what things are. Oh, LU, holy sh! Oh, I'm drooling over some of these setups. Like NIO, if this thing can go to like 650 today, oh my God, there's gonna be holy shit. Oh, DAL. Oh, AAL. What the fuck? Look at these airlines. I remember when I shorted this thing back in September 20. It's too thin for me, but for those of you with smaller accounts, this could definitely be a short setup later today or tomorrow. Right now, there's some insane chasing going on. I'm gonna pass on CL. Oh, I don't know, man. I really shouldn't take on more long exposure thing. I have so much long exposure. Okay, save. I'm out. I took 2 losses on it. Total of 59k or so. I hope this thing can go to like 22, 23 or higher tomorrow. Get genius to the 10-minute halt. Ooh, insane thing setting up. Wait, still not. What? Oh, okay. Yeah, pennies. I hope this 40 plus in the next sessions. What the hell is this? Oh my god, what crazy. Guys, this is the type of market amateur short sellers blow up. Be very careful. Those of you who are shorting these momentum stocks, exact market, you know, newer people blow up because they underestimate things and they don't have risk management, etc, etc. Just be super careful. And also don't things on the long side. I know most of you know better, but still, there's a lot of new on the feed. Zoom. Yeah, so far. I've been moving my stop up. Let's see. I'm gonna be right back in. All right, I am back. The process of buying a car, so I'm some phone calls stuff going on. Exactly. It's afternoon in Sweden, so I don't think they think I'm working. X5M, yep, you know, yep. No, I'm buying an X5M, not a Volvo. I don't want a Volvo. I'm buying this one. This is the exact car. Like, if you want to buy a new factory, it takes months. 6 months. Holy fuck. So they have this demo car. They're gonna have it for another month and a half, and then I'm gonna get it. This is the exact car I'm buying. This is the car. X5M. The brown looks better in real life. The colors on the photo are it looks much better. It's more reddish in real life. It looks like diarrhea brown and much better. Yeah, XC90. I drive XC90. It's one of the best looking SUVs, but they don't have great engine options. That's the problem with Volvo. That's the main problem with Volvo. They don't have great. Yeah, I drove this one today. It's kind of funny. There's a famous Swedish soccer player. He was also interested in this car, but he dropped out because he didn't like the color of this. He wanted the like interior. He wanted it all white or all black. He didn't want this brown combo. Dropped out on it. No, it's not Zlatan. It's not. I don't know how famous like this one. This guy. I don't know. He's a retired. He's now a trainer for some club. I don't know. I don't know if he's the star. You recognize him? Yeah. He was actually also interested in this exact same car, but he dropped out again. Whew. He would have gotten it in it before me. So if he would have gotten it. Yeah. Ex-Barcelona, Celtic. Okay. Yeah. I'm not a big guy, so I know him, but I'm not really. I never followed soccer. You watch him live? All right. Yeah, I'm a better trader. That's right, bitch. He may be a soccer player, but I'm a trader. I got the car. He has to wait 6 months to get his all black or all white. What a loot. I'm getting mine in like 7 weeks. He needs to stop losses. Yeah, I hope he doesn't kick my balls. Oh man, that would hurt. No, I didn't. I just wanted a quick. I was like, no, I don't want to wait. I want the car now. Like I wanted to buy the car like today, so I can drive it today. But nope, I have because they're using it as a demo car for their premium customers. That's why they bought it. That's why they bought it. And I really don't want to wait 6 months to get a new car for the factory. That's like in fall. I want a car to summer. Oh, pretty funny room. In what way, dude? There's a lot of, we go through a lot of topics. It's not trading or only trading. There's a lot of other things. I'm driving a BMW X5. You can get life advice. You can get philosophical advice. You can get car advice. I'm all in one. No, I mean, it's all for, like, you guys are not, you don't understand how good of a deal you're getting. You're not paying anything. You get all of these. It's like the best deal ever. Thanks for helping us. Hey, no problem. We're all losers. I don't know if I'm, but I have managed to learn a few things about trading. Wow, NIO, this is super liquid. I hope this thing goes to like $8 tomorrow. Yeah, I wonder when Genius is gonna reopen. It's now been halted for like what, 20 minutes? 20, yeah. Okay, so in 2 minutes I'm gonna check if they're gonna. This thing, next support on Genius is in the 5-7. Don't underestimate this. This thing could go down. Wow, it's already down 1% from the highs. Wow. Yeah, next target is high fives. Oh wait, I'm not. So far I've taken some losses on a bunch of stuff on these airlines and financial stocks. So I lost about 107,000 airlines and financial stocks, and I'm up about 200,000. So I'm not having as good of a day as I should have, because I missed the add on here. So I wanted to add another 50,000 shares. I only got to 100,000, and I have 200,000 shares located. So super annoying. Okay, Genius is open. Holy shit, I salted again. What the fuck? Oh, never mind. Okay, never mind. Okay, I only have a quarter left now. Only have a quarter left. Down 55%. Okay, okay, I have a 1/5 left. Holy fucking moly. Holy shit, are you kidding me? Look at this thing. Oh my god, I would have needed those 50,000 shares. Oh, come on. Okay, now I'm up 300k on it. It's a quick, nice little trade. What can I say? I just wish I had gotten filled on those 50,000 shares. Fuck. Wow. Now next support is in me3. That's really the next support. I covered a little bit more. Covered a tiny bit more. Yeah, it's a little trade. It should have been another 100k. 200k. It is what it is. I hate when they're so quick. You don't get to, you don't get to add full size. Happens all the time. It's halted again? Jesus Christ. So Genius went from being up 40% on the day to being down 40% on the day. So it's down almost 6% from the highs. Oh my god. Oh my god. And we all knew the offering was coming. It was announced, like I knew from last, like people started tweeting on it negatively, like last. Here. They were going to increase their authorized shares. Yeah, here. Eric Wood tweeted 26th of May. Just as it broke out. Now in hindsight, this could have been a nice long, but for you day traders, absolutely, it could be a long, for a quick long. I'm not gonna do it. Unless it goes down to like literally $3 then I could maybe take a small long on. But it's just not my type. Wow, oh my, man, this is really, so far it's one of, top 3 best 2-month market environments I've traded. DRNC? No, absolutely not. No, it's just a thin random stock. There's literally 50, okay, not maybe 50, but literally 10, 15 better short setups out there right now that are liquid and not as random, in my opinion. I think CRNC is just a random stock. That's the problem. I see what you see, just so many better ones. Like most of the airlines, some of the financial names. Yes, I am paying low case. Like I paid like 11,000 for my Genius shares today, and I'm paying for them even if I don't use them. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I do pay for them. Even if I don't use, I get the locate, and then I have it for the rest of the day, and I can use it whenever I want. It's not like interactive brokers. You have to get the locate when you short it. Okay, be right back. INMD. No, not INMD. RH. Yeah, that one could be a good one for tomorrow. Not my favorite, but it could work absolutely. Again, I think the airlines are gonna be my main focus for tomorrow. I think the best setups are in the airline. Oh, CL, man. I guess I should spot it. What if it goes like 24 or something? Oh. LVGO. Oh my god, what happened here? Off. I didn't have a hard stop set on it. What the hell happened here? Okay, it's resting. Okay, let's see here. If it can't bounce here, I'm gonna lower my stop a little bit. I guess all the breakout chases from yesterday just popped out of it. That's what I'm thinking. It was such an obvious breakout, and yeah, sometimes it's it's not great if too obvious, but it's fine. So far I'm gonna use new low as my stop. Okay, NCLH looks great. I'm gonna raise my stop by quite a bit. CI looks great. Draft Soxel, I'm gonna raise my to break even. Oh, I need to sell some Soxel here. Straight up. Looks like I may get stopped out of my D-dog. Okay, so far Livongo is bouncing here. I'm gonna. Okay. Yeah, exactly. And it's still holding the rising moving average to 20-day. So Wow, this selection. What the hell is this? This thing looks intriguing. Wait, is Genius halted again? Oh, say it again. Guys, I've been talking about these airlines the whole morning. You know, I think there's gonna be insane setup on this tomorrow. Maybe later today, but I hope we get it tomorrow. Right now, just straight up. Just be careful. Not getting in front of. Oh wow, and we're in full momentum. There's gonna be better setups. You want the stocks to be as standard as possible before they short them. Let everyone get used out. That's the reason also I shorted. I didn't want to short Genius yesterday. You know, I said yesterday several times it's a better short at 10-12 tomorrow, because someone asked me about Genius yesterday in the 5 near the open. And I said it's gonna be ignored for unless, and tomorrow if it's to 10-12, that's when I want to short it, and that's exactly what we got. You want to get those few setups that go crazy. That the setups almost can't lose money. It's the key to shorting momentum stocks. Most of them won't go. Yeah, no. Well, it is a timing thing. Just want to see them. Oh, D-Dog, I got stopped out. You want to. Yeah, exactly. You want to squeeze out as much as possible so you don't get chopped up on them. Like Genius, you know, if I had tried to short it yesterday, I mean, there were some good setups like this 5-minute candle here when it went straight up and the first 5-minute candle and break of that. I mean, I would have probably taken a few losses on it. So that's why you want to get them. You want them to squeeze out. To a point where they almost can't go higher, and then you start looking for a weakness short them. That's where you have the best odds. That's why I really want to get these airlines tomorrow. So, you know, if you're looking at this DAL, I mean, if you really want to short it, wait for at least mid or late day until it has a range, and preferably it's below EVAP. Otherwise, screen. I think a better short tomorrow. My thoughts on LK, I don't know. I think it can squeeze out to $4 or $5. Could be a short. We're in full momentum mode right now. So many stocks just straight up. I both love and hate these types of markets. So much going on, which is both good and bad. Okay, D-Dog, I got stopped out from yesterday late day. I took a $54,000 loss. Wow, really? Oh yeah, really? Okay, I thought it was gonna be that, alright. Shopify already took out yesterday's lows. Zoom also is fading. Oh. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna sell Zoom while I still have a profit on it. I'm just gonna sell it. I'm done with it. I was hoping it would go straight up. Why can't these things go straight up? Okay, I took a small profit on. I don't want to risk anything. Could go to like 5 to. It did have a good setup. I was hoping that's the thing. Genius. I covered a little bit more. I only have 12,000 tiny shares left. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna cover all Genius here. It's gonna bounce. It halted again. I still have 6,000 shares. Alright, NCLH. Now it's over that resist. I think next stop for NCLH be $24. Yeah, BA. All the airline related stocks are relentless. That is holy save it. Oh boy. And then why do you want to go along this thing? If you can just explain what you see in the trade. Big volume, that's it, but it's going down. I think you're gonna see better results if you only buy stocks that are going up. Like if you look at the NNDM chart, you know, it's down on the day, and it looks like it's about to break down on the chart. Like, what's your stop gonna be if you buy it here? What's your out gonna be on NNDM? 240? Okay. I mean, the best advice I can give you is, you know, buy stocks that are going up, that are breaking out. I don't think setup. I see what you see there. It's a momentum stock. It's flagging, but I think you would be better off if you just waited for a setup to build and exit. Okay, but what if it goes to 10? You know, the best advice I give you guys: both buy stocks that are going up and short stocks that are going down. Don't try to find top shorting or bottoms going long. Grubhub? Okay, so I'm still lynched. So Genius was a $300,000 profit. I'm gonna cover it last 6,000 shares up as it gets unhalted. It's a little bit bitter, 20 cents. Man, sometimes it pays to chase, but yeah, it's hard hard. Yeah, I think Rob has. Yeah. They are actually gonna be. They're getting bought out by Uber. It's flagging because they are. They have a buyout offer by Uber. That's why it's flagging. It's not a great setup. I mean, it could go higher, but just be aware, they're gonna get bought out. It may not have to break out. It's flagging. I'm gonna size down a little bit more on fast, tiny bit. A little bit of mixed signals. Software related names are weak. I think we are just a day or two away from getting a pullback in the markets, to be honest, because all these beaten down S&P 500 stocks and Russell stocks are getting extended, and software names are already, I don't know. Mixed signals here. No, I still have Sheg. Yeah, I'm stuck. Like, I really hope these don't break down today. But if we get a setup later in the day on these airlines, I will and hold for a swap. All right, Shopify. So you know what? Shopify could. Holy shit, Shopify short here. Yep, I'm gonna short Shopify. It looks great as a short. It's in the 20-day. I'm gonna do a starter. I'm gonna do 1,000 starter. Let's see, 748. No, I'm gonna do a 1,500 shares starter. This is swing short. So I'm risking $10 to potentially make 100 on the downside. Good risk. Oh, it's on Kramer. Well, I don't think it matters. There's nothing Kramer can say that stock, or maybe he can. I don't know. It's almost a mega cap stock. I don't think it's gonna move either way, or maybe it will. I don't know. All right. So I have. Oh fuck this shit. I'm gonna short more Shopify. Why the fuck not? So I'm short 2,000 shares of Shopify. I'm risking $10. This thing has $100 downside. It's a good risk reward. I'm just seeing a bunch of. I think the market's near a pullback here. I really do. I'm seeing some worrisome signs. ZS is already. Oh, I may size down on ZS today just because I'm anticipating some kind of a pullback. You know what, guys? I'm gonna size down a bunch of stuff in my portfolio. I just sized down SC. I'm gonna size down fast. What about Sheg? Sheg maybe also. We're seeing some euphoria. When you get euphoria like we've gotten in some stocks, like micro caps, after a long run, that's usually a good sign. I'm seeing some of these software names starting to break down. And also these beaten down names, airlines and financials and stuff like that. They're just, in full FOMO mode right now. Like when these pull back, there's nothing to hold the markets up. So I'm playing defense here. I'm just not really. I can feel it in my body. Have to be cautious. I'm moving stocks stop up aggressively. mRNA could have I may add to mRNA tomorrow. Needs a little bit more on. Oh, Vissel. I think I bought some. Yeah, I bought 400,000 shares of this Vissel. Let's go. Go to $2. Let's go, Vissel. Go to $2. Well, if I'm taking a screenshot, we're definitely gonna pull back. Nah, no more screenshots. You can get a screenshot now, and it's been a crazy 2-month period. I don't know. I don't even know how many I'm up. I just don't know. That's how crazy it is. I need to go back to my logs and check, but I'm up at no more. No. Wait. No. Past 2 months, probably 4 or 5. Just been insane. I refuse any of it back. Refuse. Yeah, that's another one. Tesla. Yeah, I sized down a little bit yesterday to free up buying power. Yeah. Shopify, 757 is my stop. Man, I'm so unhappy with I'm happy and unhappy with hopefully it can bounce back to like $8. It's not gonna, but so Shopify, it's still holding. If the daily 60-minute chart, it's still holding these higher lows, and if it starts breaking lower late day, takes out lows a day, I may add even maybe another 500 shares. Beyond me, breakout is failing for CL is failing. Yeah, interesting times. 5-minute chart. I don't have 5-minute charts on my setup right now. No, it's 60-minute short. The highs of current net candle. Car is one I would love to short. Pen, I hope we get it tomorrow. Dow. Man, these things are already starting lower. They all have VWAPs coming up lower. All these airline names. I know the genius is like, oh, for fuck's sake, am I covered now? Okay, I'm covered now. Oh, come on. I'm not up 300k on Genius anymore. It bounced before I got to cover my 6,000 shares. I'm only up 298k now. Now I need to make like I need to make $2,000. It's super annoying. I need to scalp 2000 Genius. Maybe if we can get back to $8, maybe there could be a little bit of a, I don't know. ACB about to break lower or break down. Vessel is grinding higher. Yeah, Gnus has been halted most of the day. And it's these long halts. I think it's 10-minute halts or even longer. No, they're like 20-minute halts. They're different. This was like a 10-minute. This was a 5-minute, 20-minute halt to 20. I don't know why they're so. Okay, so one short entry for later after I start streaming on these airlines. It breaks the lows current candle. That's one area I would starter in a couple of names. Like save definitely, maybe also like something like UAL or DAL or LUV. That could be the first potential entry point or re-entry point on this airline, but I'm not sure. I really hope they go higher and don't give an entry today. You know, tomorrow we're gonna have a 5+ star setup. Oh, nice Vessel. Wow. What if the thing goes like $2-3? Like, I'm gonna show you the setup. I didn't have the time to explain it, but you can see this. We're in a chasers market. These kinds of stocks are doing very well. 2, this thing has big volume. An intraday chart, I'm just gonna show you how thick this is. You have this range and you had the higher lows for several hours. Dollar breakout. Now it could all fail and stop me out at 92 cents, but this thing could go to $2. I have no idea why this is going up, by the way, and it doesn't really even matter. Did it have any news today? Nope, I don't see any news. Oh man, Genius. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Should I reshort it? I need to make another 2 grand. Oh, okay, I need thing, man. I just reshorted 37,000 shares. It's getting VWAP. If it's a VWAP, I'll show more. I'm not sure it's gonna get there though. Gonna use like $9. If it goes higher, I'm just so afraid it's gonna get halted and gap down and miss my entry. Maybe I was aggressive with my entry here, but that's fine. A big bounce off the lows. Just such a hard trader. It's halted all the time, but I would have probably played the bounce. Is it halted again now? It's not. Or is it? It is. Fuck's sake. Really? Yeah, gets halted. Okay, Shopify about to take out lows again soon. Oh man, I'm so tempted to add to my... Like, Shopify is a market leader. It is the market... it's a market leader. If this thing starts breaking down, we may be in trouble. So levels I'm looking at, LUV is one I'm stalking. Again, the lows of this, you know, this 60-minute candle to finish, and then the lows of this candle. The same thing on Save, or any of these airlines for that matter. UAL, DAL, I also like. AAL, I think will be better for tomorrow. Yeah, car also. I have to wait for this damn GNU stock on hold. So the last halt was 5 minutes. Again, I have a starter short on Genius. Yeah, big first 30 minutes. The first 60-minute candle is always 30 minutes. Yes, it is by design. So you have 7-minute candles throughout the day. And the first candle is always 30 minutes. Yeah. Gonna unhold soon. Any minute now. Vessel. Yeah, they sort the pullback fairly well so far. Wait, am I recording this? Okay, yeah, good, I am recording this. I hate when I forget to. Oh, okay. Okay, oh, I got Genius. More shares, it's great. So I have 70,000 shares of this now. Apparently it printed it. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. Oh, what? It printed 830 and 830 is where I had those ads. Oh my, wow, sometimes I'm so lucky. I can't believe it. Let's see if I can make another 100k on it. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, save so far. Held the right VWAP, DAL VWAP. Okay. Well, now we have to wait for Genius to get unhalted again. Oh, I didn't build on all of my shares. But I get to on most of them. Okay. Because that's where the VWAP is. I anticipated the VWAP bounce. Like my first short was here in the high 7s, or the reshort. Let's see, where was it? Yeah, 59.30. No, wait, no. That's the wrong stock. Where is it? 7.7. And I had another order here, 8.30, because I was kind of anticipating the VWAP bounce. I wasn't sure if it was going to hit VWAP, and so I just wanted to, I wanted to get shares, do partials. If it had bounced to high 8s, I maybe would have added it. So I just kind of anticipated it, but I was super lucky. I got filled like 90% of my order. Sometimes you're just so lucky. Can't believe that. To the penny. It's not like it traded 8.31. No, it traded 8.30. EP130. So UAV is starting to come out of a range. I'm not gonna add to it. I already have this VISL. I don't know what the hell it is. It's not really going as I would have liked it to, but whatever. XSPA is coming back. You know what? This XSPA later in the day, if it reclaims VWAP, could be a long. I think could have one more day of this crazy stocks going nuts. Shop if I may. Oh, I need to set a stop. Yeah, no, I mean, I like when my stocks go straight up. What can I say? The best ones are those like straight up. Not always, a lot of the time. I mean, patience is instant feedback market or instant gratification type of a market. It really is. One of the best markets I've traded. Anytime you can double your account in less than 2 months, it's a good market. And I made so many mistakes along the way. It's not even funny. Shopify, so far it's bouncing. It held this rising trend line perfectly. But we'll see. It may start fading again. I'm just trying to play a little defense here. Kind of feels we are gonna have a nasty rug pull coming. Oh, what's VISL do? Oh, nice. Look, guys, I will get excited if it goes to $1-2. What if it goes to $2? I be 400k on it. I still have 390,000 shares. I only sold 10,000 so far. Like, if this thing, like, you never know. Maybe if it closes strong and maybe gaps up tomorrow. I'm getting ahead of myself, but hey, Vessel, okay. In what way? In the way that they're all piece of shit? Are they both in the sector? Look, I like the stocks. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Haha, what if it goes to... No. Did your loser friend suggest it goes to Steen? I think your loser friend is getting ahead of himself in that case. Oh, communication? Yeah, I have no idea. Brands, they have some kind of, I don't know what they have. Cartoon channel, okay? And Vessel is okay, I don't know. I think I just sold some more. No, wait, what? No, I didn't, because I've stopped. Okay. When is Genius gonna help? I need to cover some. It's gonna be a 10-minute halt. Be right back. I'm gonna go to bathroom. Exactly. Seriously, if this Vessel goes to Steen, I'm gonna give... seriously, this thing goes to Steen. Like on its own, not after a reverse split, but on its own. I'm gonna buy all of you a BMW X5M. It's only a 150k car. I'm gonna buy all of you in the chat one. No, oh, Genius, unhalted. Oh, no, no. Wait, what? Why am I not getting... why can't I cover? Okay, now, okay. There was some order issue. Okay, now I covered some. I covered a quarter or less than a quarter of my... Nice. Maybe I can make 400k on it. Loser? Yeah. Everyone who drives a X5M is a loser. They actually may be. If their daddy bought it for... Or if some random guy bought it for you, you actually may be a loser. No. You're all winners. We're all winning here. M40XI, what is that? Except Henrik Larsson, yeah. Wait, M340XI. 340, oh, XI or I? No, actually XI. Wait, what is that? US, yeah. XI 2020. It's a 2020, I guess, or is it not? I think it's pictures. But I'm only the I. What's with the XI? XI. I'm only seeing the I. Wait. I found an article. What's the difference between the M340i and XI? Oh, it's all. Oh, so it is the I. Okay, but it's the same thing as the I. It's the okay. Oh yeah, looks really good. What color? David. NBR? No, I never revisited it. Oh, it's maybe next leg higher, maybe 5. That would be great. Actually, it didn't go down as much as I thought it would. Tanzanite blue. Okay. Tanzanite blue. Oh yeah, it looks good. Looks really good. Yeah, looks good. It's a beautiful car, man. Olive green. This one, you mean? Is this the green you... Yeah, it looks good. This one... Wait, are these the same color? I think this one is too light, but much better. They're different. You bought it for your wife? Nice. Yeah, the green. Yeah, I already looked at the Tanzanite. It's really good. No, sorry. Here. No, wait. Wow, where is... Here. Tanzanite blue. Looks really good. Black rims. So it's like this kind of a setup, right? Tanzanite blue with you mean the what? Wait, the Bentley, right? It's the one, Pentaiga, because it's ugly as hell. That's why. I mean, this is like an old man's car. Bentayga is a good car, and there's like, I don't even know if there are any Bentleys. Like BMWs everywhere. I'm not even sure there are any Bentleys. You don't see really many Bentley on the roads here. Yeah, it's expensive as hell. Really luxurious, super luxurious car. But I mean, I just don't think it's a good looking car. And then you compare it to that BMW X5 M 2020. Like, this is a good looking car. Like, mine is black, or mine is black. Like, this cool car. This is how it looks. I just don't think, that's why I didn't buy the Bentayga. Vissel, tell me it's a $2. Holy shit, I need to sell some Vissel. Oh my god! Did any of you guys get it? You're in? Yeah. Holy, wow, I didn't even have that high hopes. I was thinking, hey, if it can get to 150 by tomorrow, or $2 by tomorrow, I'm gonna raise my stop now, 98 cents. My average is 99 cents, 99 cents. Okay, I covered some more. I'm almost at 400k. If this can go to the lows, or actually, yeah, lows, I'm gonna be up 400k on it. Mercedes-Benz GLA. Isn't that a small car? GLA. No, wait. Benz GLA. Yeah, it is a small car. It's one of the small Mercedes. Or is it UV? What is GLA? Is it an SUV, like a small SUV? Or is it like just a small regular car? I can't... I don't know what it is. Not sure what it is. Oh, so it is a smaller or a crossover. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah. It's one of the... whatever you want to call them. Yeah. Are they called crossover? I'm not really super... oh, what is this? Okay. Yeah, Penn tomorrow. Yeah. I mean, David Daytrader must be super happy. His net worth is almost at all-time highs. I mean, Penn is up 100% from the lows. Wow. I almost felt bad for him when the stock went below 10. Like, he sell like a third of his company, and he got Penn stock, and then the Penn stock goes down 90% shortly after. Man, you're already selling Vissel? Come on, what if it's Steam? Seriously? No, it's not gonna go to... Don't lie to him. Don't lie. It's not gonna go. Twitter is always wrong. Mark was to go to... IMPX was supposed to go to... Instead, I took like 7 losses and 1 tiny profit this IMP. I have my... exactly. Play? Yeah, what's Win and LVS do? MGM. Yeah, MGM. CCL taking out highs of the day. Yeah, fuck. Alright, genius. I'm giving it a little bit of a room. I'm gonna use like... yeah, I'm gonna use this 8 as my out. I've covered this far about 1/3, a little bit more than 1/3, maybe 40% on my ads. Hopefully it can go back to subs, but I'm not betting on it. Okay, save. Oh, it's nearing 3 point. LUV, I'm gonna short the triggers. LUV is also hitting support. Sorry, on the weekly chart. While stuff like DAL and UAL still have some room to go. Save is also hitting resistance areas. TC2000. Oh, okay, Biffle looks stopped out any moment. Vissel. Oh, okay. Went to 1. Okay, I'm gonna do one more scan. We have here. I sold 10% of VISL so far. I'm gonna sell like 10,000 shares every $10. So every $10. No, I'm sorry, every 10 cents. Oh man, every $10. Holy shit. What's the float on VISL? 70 million. Bitcoin? Yeah. I think tomorrow, if they hit like $17, would be a 4-star shorting of Mara. Yeah, Mara, Riot. Its overstock is already going. It's too low price, too thin for me. Or maybe I'll buy 100,000 from Mara. Why not? Why the fuck not? In case Bitcoin just get going. You know, it is a chasers market. I mean, why the fuck not, right? Oh, you fucker. You're trading against me again. Guys, you can't trade against me. You have to trade with me. Like, I buy the stock, then I'll tell you guys to buy the stock. That's how it works. Come on. Look, guys, other day trading services, you have to pay money for the privilege of being front run. Here, you're getting front run for free. And we talk about cars. Seriously. Oh, just kidding. Just kidding. I love you guys. You can trade whatever the way you want. Sorry, Mara, I have 75,000. Let's see, Vissel. Oh, I need to put more orders out there, I guess. Holy shit, it's gonna go to $2 today, this Vissel. I'm up 170k on it. I did not see this coming. And funny thing is, I was thinking about only buying 200,000 shares. Then I was like, ah, fuck it. Fuck it. It's a chases market. And I put another order for 200,000. Sometimes you're really lucky. What can I say? Or not lucky. Sometimes work out really well. This XSPA, I am stalking. This, it has, like, it's not breaking down. It claimed VWAP. And this is the one. I was long. I think I was long. No, I wasn't long a million shares, but I think I was long like 400,000 shares on the day it gapped up here. And now it looks like it wants to go higher. I mean, why can't this? You know what? It's just the market in right now. I usually don't trade these kind of setups, but right now I just, you know, I can't think the market. I have to go where the market tells me to go. You trade future? Okay. Yeah, CI. What's CI? It's a stock, provides business data information. Okay, it's a growth stock. Okay, very good. But it hasn't opened yet. 87% revenue growth. That's really good. BA again. See, where should I buy it? Maybe I should buy some right here. Okay, I bought 100,000 shares. I'm trying to get filled on the other. I mean, why not? Genius can fade back to mid fives. Because the stocks with growth and EPS and sales numbers, those are the ones that tend to get the Momo. That's why. Always have to track the best stocks. Those are the best ones. That's why I track the growth numbers. Well, yeah, well, these are different. They're different. Like, yeah, these purely a technical analysis kind of a trade. Biotech, well, biotechs, you can do it. Like, those work a bit different. I mean, it depends. Like micro, I don't really trade the small biotechs anymore. My accounts are too big. But you can trade them when they gap up on Goose, like when they have good like phase 2 data, stuff like that. Come on, Genius, die already. I'm still not fully filled on SBA. I have 140,000 shares far. I may add another 200,000. All right. Anywho, I'm done today.